How to log in or sign in into your Uber Eats account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign in into your Uber Eats account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats app. So after you tap on continue, you'll be started with Uber Eats. What you can do is you can tap on continue with Google or simply use your email address as well. You can choose to log in with your email address or by simply typing in your mobile number. Whatever you do, after you do that, tap on continue. So I'll just tap on continue with Google and tap on continue. After that, choose your Google account, then tap on continue again. Then you will get logged in into your account like this. And it's that simple. You might have to verify your identity by, using a code that they will send you at your email address. So type that code in as well and you'll get logged in. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.